Hey, Soul Sister, have you been feeling heavy from the state of the world?
You've been pouring into your family, your community, and your career. My question is, who's been pouring into you?
If you've been waiting for a chance to finally choose you, this is it. We didn't set out to create just another girls' trip. We wanted to create a sisterhood sanctuary.
My name's Britt. I'm the founder of BeFit Health Solutions, and I lead women to their physical, nutritional, and spiritual healing.
And I'm Jacqueline, founder of JJ Creative, and I support women with their personal and business aesthetics. On day one, we'll land and finally let our hair down. We'll get to know each other as we journey from San Jose to the Punta Arenas province, and then a ferry ride right over to the Nicoya Peninsula, where we'll enjoy the beachfront countryside of Costa Rica.
Friday is our full day of surrender, where we'll come together and commune and fellowship with one another over morning devotionals, natural fresh juices with one another, some movement on the sun deck, and end the day with setting intentions for the weekend ahead of us.
Saturday is a day full of adventure. After a fresh, healthy breakfast, we'll dive into nature, where we'll get to create and connect with Mother Nature and each other. Yes, we'll be bringing the word with us.
Sunday is our day of restoration and celebration, where we're going to come together and enjoy a beautiful spa day and dive into different classes and workshops in beauty, aesthetics, fitness, and feminine health. Everything super soulful and things that you can leave with and take home with you.
The Exhale Retreat was born of our own hunger for a space where faith and wellness could breathe together. My own journey to health and wholeness was nurtured in the circle of sisterhood. It was the love of my sisters who nurtured me, stretched me, and called me higher. Now I want to pour that same love into your journey.
Being able to draw near and be still, to be able to get closer to the Lord, has been able to provide for me a sense of peace that has really surpassed anything that I've been able to comprehend truly. I find so much joy in being able to share that with my other sisters in the world. That's what I want to invite you to come out and experience with us. In Matthew chapter 18, verse 20, it says, "For where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, there I am among them." I just want to have everyone experience Jesus in the room and be able to grow together.
What made me say yes to the retreat was to release a certain addiction that I have with cigarettes, and so far so good. I've been doing great. This juice really helped detox the nicotine that was inside, and it just made me not kind of think about even picking up a cigarette too. And I actually like that I released that, so it was very helpful.
And definitely benefit many women, especially when it comes to our health, physical, mental, spiritually, and emotionally. I feel like as women, we carry a lot of weight on our shoulders. So just to be here and surrendering ourselves and learning and experiencing new things to live a healthy lifestyle, I think that could benefit many women from here on out.
If you've been wanting a deeper relationship with Christ, this is your chance. Come do it in community with us.
We're taking 14 women on an intentional fellowship journey to peace and love everlasting. This is an all-inclusive experience. All we need from you is for you to say yes and pack your bags, girl.
Pray on it. If you feel called to come, everything else will work itself out.
And if you're still watching, it's not by accident.
Your spirit already knows. This is the space you've been searching for.
We want to be in community with you. So consider this your personal invitation.
If this resonated, girl, we're talking to you. Comment exhale for the details. The link is below.
Come exhale with us.